Driving demands focus, patience, and awareness about the laws of the land pertaining to road safety. Do you know that India accounts for the highest number of road accident casualties in the world? More than two-thirds accidents involve collision. 17 people lose their life each hour and many people are disabled for life too. The reason? Poor driving skills and negligent driving. In this audiovisual clipping on defensive driving, we shall prepare you to deal with all the risks that drivers usually face. Let us begin with the fourfold approach. First, knowledge on safe driving techniques. Pre-trip inspection. Before you start, take a walk around your vehicle, check if the tires are properly inflated. Are there fluid leaks on the ground? Are the lights or signals clean and working? Once you get into the vehicle, make sure you adjust your seat and fasten the seat belt. Seat belts save lives not only for the front seat, therefore make sure that all your passengers are also buckled up before you start your ride. Assure doors are fully closed and secure. Scan the gauges. Adjust the vents, windows, heater and air conditioner. Make sure you are mentally prepared to focus on safe driving. Second, alertness to traffic conditions including mental and physical conditions. It is best not to drive when tired or emotionally drained. So, begin the trip only after you have rested well. Checking local weather and road conditions in advance helps you plan the route and gives you more awareness about what adverse events to expect along the way. Always be aware of alternative roads or routes to your destination, including hospitals and first aid centers to be used in an emergency. Share the road with other users while staying alert to vulnerable and rash road users. Follow the flow of traffic, avoid aggressive driving and weaving between lanes. Remember, you are driving and not playing a video game. Be calm in the midst of heavy traffic. Patience or becoming a patient are the options. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Remember that everyone is going through the same stress. Third, foresight to anticipate hazards through road scanning. Constantly scan your eyes for surroundings to allow time to react. Visually survey the complete surroundings, all parts of the road, pedestrians, road construction, signs with instructions, accidents, etc. Remember, the other person on the road can make mistakes too. So do not tailgate cars and maintain safe distance. Watch the rear view and the side mirrors. Keep an eye on the vehicle behind you and be aware of the blind spots. All this shall help you while changing lanes or while planning to take a turn. If you maintain a safe distance, you will have time to react to sudden braking by the vehicles ahead of you or counter any erratic driving you may encounter. Be aware of the traffic ahead you. When vehicles in the front brake, take your foot off the accelerator to slow down gradually before you brake. Be cautious not to brake abruptly. That is why maintaining a safe distance is vital. Cautious driving and a safe distance will also help you avoid frequent braking and rear-end collisions. Always communicate your driving intentions. Indicators are the best tools to alert vehicles around you. Use them at the appropriate time. Letting other drivers know what your intentions are helps them prepare their course of action and reduces the risk of close quarter situations. Think ahead. Judge how people are driving around you and anticipate their moves. And finally, the fourth approach, judgment to make a wise decision. Defensive driving is also about responding swiftly to any emerging adverse situation. Some drivers simply do not have the patience to not attempt a risky overtaking. Such impatient drivers can make a poor decision that might require you to take action to prevent an accident. So, just be extra cautious. Before you overtake, always consider, is it legal? Is it safe? Is it necessary? Try to avoid overtaking multiple vehicles. Respect the right of way of everyone. If you spot a vehicle in a hurry, do not block or impede its passage. Doing so is dangerous and increases the risk of an accident. Slow down on wet roads and in bad weather. Visibility is reduced significantly in heavy rain or dense fog. The safest option is to slow down and do not try to overtake in such conditions. Are you inebriated? Stay away from the road. Visiting a bar before driving shall result in ending up behind the bars while driving. Driving under the influence of alcohol is a punishable offense, including cancellation of your license. When you encounter road rage, do not retaliate with rage. Do you know that conflict can only continue to exist with participation? There is high price tag involved in each accident in terms of injury, death, damage to property, etc. Driving does not only need practice, it needs wisdom as well. Defensive driving is more about common sense than anything else.